Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be starting a new series about Jenkins. So Jenkins is an open source automation server. It helps software development related to building, testing, and deploying. It acts as a continuous integration and continuous delivery tool. It is a server-based system that runs in servlet containers such as Apache Tomcat. In short, if we talk about Jenkins, Jenkins will be helping you in automating your builds. Okay, whatever development builds you create, it will be helping you in building those builds, and then overall you can integrate your testing framework as well. Okay, which can run against that build, and then finally it can deploy to any test server, pre-prod server, or even production servers. Let's talk about some of the features of Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins is a continuous integration and delivery tool. Okay, uh, you can easily install it on your local machine or servers where you have Windows, Linux, Mac, or even Unix operating system. Okay, it's very easy to configure. Jenkins runs on web interface. You can very easily configure it. Okay, we have hundreds of or thousands of plugins which are created by third-party sources to help or make you a better use of Jenkins. Okay, you can create or publish your own Jenkins plugin as well. Okay, it also helps in distributing the workload across the different systems or machines, right? So if you want to parallel execute some of the building process or the testing process, even the deployment, any kind of deployment, okay, it will help you in distributing all that. Thanks for watching this video.